In this video, I will show you how to change a website template on Wix. So let's just say or suppose that you are almost finished with this template that you're working on. But then again, you realize that you want to change a template for your website because you found something that is amazing or has a good design. But you already import or you already added your products right here and some information. So you wanted to change your website template, but still you have to do it here on your Wix. So what you're going to do is you can now exit your design site right here and you can go back to your dashboard or Wix dashboard. But before that, of course, you have to sign in to your Wix. Make sure you have your account and you should see all your unpublished or not published sites or templates here. So let's just say that this is your current template and you want to change, you want to get the products here and then you have to transfer it to your new website. So what you're going to do here is you have to tap on select and edit and it will take you directly to the dashboard of this specific template or site. So actually this is a what you call independent dashboard. So whenever you add or change here, it will not affect other sites. Okay. Now, in order for you to export your product or transfer this to your new website or template, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down, go to the left side, scroll down, and you have to look for catalog or store products. Now you have to tap on store products here. And what you're going to do is you have to simply select all the products that you want to transfer to your new site, template or website. You can just basically click all. And then what you're going to do here is you have to look for the export option. So these are the products that you want to transfer. What you're going to do is tap this one and then tap on export. Then you have your option if you want to export all. Then what you're going to do is you have to simply look for the export all option. Okay, so you're going to export all your products right here. So for this website or this template, I have 13 products and I want to export all of these products. But don't worry, you can just put them in one file. So as you can see, it's now downloading. And if you have other files right here that you want to export, then all you have to do is to tap that specific section right here, feature. And if you see the export button, all you have to do is to export that to export your files here on your current template. So once you have downloaded all the files that you want to transfer or you want to import to a new website or template, you can now go back and then go to Wix dashboard. Okay, so let me exit this part right here first since I have import all the products. Now, what you're going to do is you can select that specific template if you have that already, or you can create a new template. You can create a new design if you want. So let's go back to our Wix homepage, tap this one, and then we want to create a new site or we want to create a new website. As you can see, these are the files. Now we can open or create a new site. Okay, tap Wix. And then here you can tap on create new site. After that, it will take you to this. You have two options. So as a beginner, I strongly suggest to select the second one. Now, Wix will ask you if you want the help from AI to build a good design or template, but I strongly suggest again to select the second one. So which type of website do you want to create? Of course, let's look for store. It should be the same as your current template. So tap on continue. And then after that, it's not preparing for your dashboard. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds. And here it is. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now, we're going to change the name of your store. This is a new store, so you have to enter your new name for this website. Okay, so change this to this name. Or if you don't want to change your name, if you want to use the previous or your current store name, you can also add it right here. Okay, tap on no. and then tap on continue. Wait for a couple of seconds now. Which kind of products are you going to sell? So you can select from any of the option right here. Everything is up to you. And then once you're done, then you can now click on continue and then proceed with this one. So how are you selling your product? You have option right here, online, in person. You can select both of this or the four of the option. And then once done, tap on continue to your dashboard. Okay, so like what I've mentioned earlier, this is an independent dashboard. So whatever you add here, it will not affect other sites that you have here on your Wix. So since we have export our products from our current template and we want to transfer or import these products to this new template right here, since you want to change your template website, then all you have to do again is just go to store products, go to catalog, and then here in catalog, you should see the import button. So where can you find that? You can find it here on the more actions. You should see that right on the more options or actions rather. Then in the more actions, you will see import. So let me access one here. And then once you have tapped this more option, you just have to make sure that your files are ready. Click this one and then upload a CSV file. So if you tap this one, then you can go to your download folder. Okay. And then once you have import the file or the products from your current template or site, then automatically it will be added to your new template right here. Okay, so as you can see, 13 products to be imported. So tap this one right here. It's now working on your import. Import complete. Got it. And here are your products from your previous template. Okay, so that's how easy it is. If you want to add more to your new website right here, all you have to do is tap on new products. If you want to set up differently, like for a new website or template, it will be different payment methods. So set up your payment method. You have to do it manually. If you want to add another product, just click this one. If you want to set up shipping and delivery, which is totally different from your previous template, you have to do it again. And then also this get found in Google. And then what you're going to do next is tap on design site. Here you will see your new template. Okay, you can here you can create a new template. So you can tap on pick a template. And this is how you change your template on your Wix. So since you have added all your products, you can now change. This was our previous template. So we're going to look for other templates right here. So let's just say this time you want this. Okay, edit. Tap this one. And here it is. So basically, you can see and you can now start editing your new template. But of course, you have added the same product that you have added to your previous template. So if you go to your product page, let's just see where's the product page right here. Tap on the product page. Then you should probably see all the products from your previous template. Okay. And here are your products. And basically that's it. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.